Okay, we're back. Okay. 12 times 5 is 60. I didn't just research that, I don't know what you mean. I'm gonna check as well if 6 times 7 is correct as well. That's 42. Okay, so that's not correct. This one is. Right, cool, yeah. And then the correct answer here is B again. No, it's B, just B. So this would go here, and that would be incorrect. And then maybe we can just have a print statement at the end saying thanks for playing. I'll also do a bit of maths as well, just kind of teach you another thing that you can do. But for now, we'll just run the quiz as it is, see if there's any errors, see if everything's working okay. So, question 1, what is 3 times 5? A, that's correct. Question 2, what is 6 times 7? C. Question 3, 12 times 5, that I believe. Let's just pretend I get it wrong. C, incorrect. Thanks for playing. Coolio. So the quiz is working, but now I want some I want a scoring system with it. So we can create a variable called score. Set that equal to 0. And if the player gets it correct, we can add 1 to that score. So the easiest way to do that in Python is score plus equal 1. This will basically add 1 to the current score. Okay, so yeah, okay, cool, we're recording. Just wanted to make sure. Okay, so this line here just adds 1 to the current score. And then maybe we can print that score. Current score. And then we can do that format string I told you about. So with an F at the start. Yeah, so it says expected expression because it's an F string and we put curly brackets in there with nothing inside of them. So we put score in there and that will print out the current score. So maybe we can do that before question 2 comes up. And then yeah, I think we'll keep it at that. So whenever the user gets something correct, we'll add 1 to their score. So it's correct here. Print, and this will be an F string again. Your score, something out of 3, because there's 3 questions here. I'll put this after the score. So we got show the final score. So actually we don't need the current score then. Show the final score. Thank the user for playing. And then so I think everything works now, but I think I want a bit of personalization with this. So we'll get up here, we can ask for the user's name. And then we can print out hello user, welcome to the quiz, something like that. Something simple. So we use the print statement again. Hello welcome to the quiz. And that's going to be an F string, name in here. And I think that's basically it. That's the whole quiz done. So I really hope that made sense. So up here we ask for the user's name. We set a score to 0 initially. Here's question 1, and then checking the answers. Question 2, checking the answers. Question 3, checking the answers. And then at the end, we'll show the final score. So I'm going to pop this here instead. So let's run it and see how well we do. So my name is Jessica. I'm the host of Python, The Basics. Okay, hello Jessica, welcome to the quiz. Question 1. So 3 times 5, so 15, I know that. Correct. What, 6 times 7? Bit tricky, but I think I know it's C. Correct. 12 times 5, that's B. And then my score, 3 out of 3. Thanks for playing. So let's rerun it, but we'll make a couple of, let's say Bob, but then we put a couple of wrong answers in. So let's say we'll do C. We got 1 out of 3. Awesome. So it seems to all be working. That's great to hear. That's great to see. So we can actually do this and then put the name inside of here. So we can write so-and-so's score and then output the score out of 3. So it's seem more personalized. A, B, C. Yeah, Jessica's score, there it is, 1 out of 3. So it feels more personalized now that we can ask the user for their name. We can greet them as if we can greet them to the quiz, run the quiz, and then tell them their score at the end. This is awesome. There are better ways of writing a quiz. We'll go over some key concepts that will be very useful, and then we'll build a much better quiz in the future. I think one of the quizzes as well, one of the things that are really good with quizzes, lists and for loops. Those two are essential when it comes to quizzes. And of course variables as well, getting user input, because that's the key concept of a quiz. You need that user input so you can kind of assess if they got it right or not. So yeah, that's basically the quiz. I'm having a lot of fun here, so I'm gonna go play it again. Let's see, Jess. And it was ACB. Yeah. Jess is, yay! I got it all correct. Yay! Thank you very much for watching. I really hope this tutorial was really helpful. I'll see you next for lesson 7. Toodles.